If you're trying to figure out which AI coding tool is best for your workflow, this video is for you. Today we're comparing Ada, Cursor AI, Roo Code, which was formerly known as Claude Dev, and Cline, so you can understand the real differences and choose the one that actually fits the way you build software. These tools all use AI to help you code, but they are not built for the exact same style of development. Some are better for editing code inside an IDE, some are better for terminal-based workflows, and some are designed to act more like autonomous coding agents. So instead of just looking at popularity, let's break down what each one does best. And if you find this comparison helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with Cursor AI. Cursor is basically an AI-powered code editor built on top of Visual Studio Code, which makes it feel very familiar if you already use VS Code. The biggest advantage of Cursor is how easy it is to use for everyday development. It gives you intelligent autocomplete, inline code editing, AI chat, multi-file editing, code-based search, and even debugging support. It also works with multiple AI models like Claude, GPT, and Gemini, so you can choose the model that best fits your task. If you spend most of your time writing code inside an editor and want the smoothest all-around experience, Cursor is often the easiest one to learn and one of the fastest to get productive with. It is especially useful when you want AI help without changing your entire workflow. Now let's move on to Ada. Ada is very different because it is a terminal-based AI coding assistant that works directly with Git repositories. Instead of giving you a visual editor experience, Ada focuses on making changes through the command line. That means it can edit files, commit changes, review diffs, and automate coding tasks in a very Git-friendly way. This makes Ada a great fit for developers who are comfortable in the terminal and who want tight version control around every change. If you like working in a more structured, command-driven environment, Ada can be incredibly powerful. The trade-off is that it does not give you the same inline autocomplete or graphical editor experience that Cursor does. So it is less about writing coding interactively and more about delegating coding tasks to the AI from the command line. Next up is Roo Code, which many people still know as Claude Dev. Roo Code is an open-source Visual Studio Code extension that turns Claude into a more autonomous coding agent. This is where things start to feel more agentic. Roo Code can understand larger codebases, edit multiple files, execute terminal commands, browse project folders, create new files, debug applications, explain code, and connect to external services through MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol. That makes it much more than just a code completion tool. Instead, it is designed to help the AI take action across your project. Compared to Cursor, Roo Code leans more toward autonomous task execution rather than interactive code completion. So if you want an AI assistant that can reason through tasks and carry out steps across a project, Roo Code is a very strong option. Then we have Cline. Cline is another open-source AI coding agent for Visual Studio Code, and it is similar to Roo Code in a lot of ways, but it also has its own strengths. Cline can plan tasks, edit multiple files, execute terminal commands, debug applications, browse codebases, and connect to MCP servers. One of its biggest strengths is handling long-running, multi-step development tasks, where the AI needs to reason through a sequence of actions, instead of just making a quick edit. Cline also supports multiple AI providers, which gives you more flexibility in choosing the model you want to work with. If you want something more agent-like than a traditional editor assistant, Cline is absolutely worth considering. So how do you choose between all four? The biggest difference is the primary workflow. Cursor AI is focused on AI-assisted coding inside an editor. Ada is focused on terminal-based Git development. Roo Code is built around autonomous coding with Claude inside VS Code. And Cline is designed for agentic software development with planning, tool usage, and MCP integration. In other words, they all help you code, but the way they help you is different. If you want the best everyday coding experience with autocomplete, inline edits, and a familiar editor feel, Cursor AI is usually the strongest option. If you prefer the command line and Git-centric workflows, Ada is an excellent choice. If you want an AI agent that can make project-wide changes, execute commands, and interact with external tools, Roo Code and Cline offer more advanced autonomous capabilities than a traditional AI code editor. And if you are choosing based on flexibility, the good news is that all four tools can be useful in the right situation. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Choose Cursor if you want the easiest all-around coding assistant inside an IDE. Choose Ada if you want terminal control and Git-first workflows. Choose Roo Code if you want Claude-powered autonomous actions inside VS Code. And choose Cline if you want a strong multi-step coding agent with planning and tool integration. That breakdown alone should make your decision much easier. If this comparison helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more AI software tutorials, coding tool reviews, and step-by-step guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video comparing which of these tools is best for beginners, best for professionals, or best for large code bases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.